You can't tell me what fi do, what fi go, how fi dress. Me no papi show. Me and the stars, so me and the fun of you.
What's poppin'? What's good? What it is?
What's up? What's poppin'? What's good? What it is? What's up?
It's your girl, Litty Shay in the building. I know you saw that title and the thumbnail down below. So you know what I'll be doing already. I'll be making a mojito from scratch. Yeah, I said it. A mojito from scratch. If this is your type of video, then go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that button down below. So, right here, I have the secret ingredients to my mojito. I've got my lime. I've got my cup. Oh, my glass. And I've got my mint. Obviously, I've got my sugar. Sugar. Makes a... Anyways. But yeah, so first of all, what I'll be doing, I will be cutting my lime to put around the cup. Like that. And what I'll be doing now, I'll be taking my glass and I will just be putting it around like this. Also, if you're creative like myself and you want to try this, go ahead and try it and let me know how it works, how it turns out for you. Because I'm always trying new things. Because I like trying things. Oops. It might be a bit messy on the front of the glass. But you know, it is what it is. It's still going to get drank. It's still going to get, you know, tasted at the end. So yeah. Okay, so once you put the lime all around the cup rim, then you're going to go ahead, put some sugar in your bowl. This is my sugar here. I'm just putting a little bit around the rim of the bowl. And now what I'm going to be doing is placing the cup into the bowl to make sure that the rim of the cup gets some sugar on it. I've never done this before, so have patience with me, guys. So yes, it's come out the right way. I'm very happy about that. So this is how your glass should look. You should have sugar all around the top of the rim, just like that. Quite excited for this actually. Then I will be putting my mint at the bottom. Put it down nice and pretty. Now that I've done that, I'll be pouring the special ingredients into the cup. If you want to know what the special ingredients is, then make sure you share this video and make sure that I get 200 views on this video, because this ingredients right here is everything. Like, if you don't know about this ingredient, then you're not lit. What? I'm sorry to break it to you lot, but if you don't know about this ingredient, you are not lit. You are not lit, because only lit people know about this drink. Like, that. Now what I'll be doing is, hold on. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. So right, I got my spoon right here because I'll be mixing the ingredients. So just a little mix, because obviously I want the drink to have a nice mint flavour, or who knows, have I made the drink already? Is the drink in here, or is this something else? And then after you give it a little mix, then you're gonna take a piece of the lime and just put it on the side of the cup, just like that. Now I'm gonna be taking some ice, just a few bits of ice. One more in there. And give it another mix. Then I'm very happy to announce you have first class mojito on deck. Cheers. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this video, because I know I've done really well actually. Hold on, let me taste it. Smell it, I mean. Let me taste it. I'm gonna taste it. If I had to rate myself, I would give myself 10 out of 10. Very, very refreshing. Very. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, if you enjoy these type of videos and you want me to make more drinks, comment down below and let me know so I can get myself ready and prepared. You know how I do. But yeah, that was it for this video. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, because I'll be back on your phone tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. So make sure that post notification bell is turned on, because I'll be popping up like ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. But yeah, that was it for this video. See you in the next